I spent 3 hours filling all these spring rolls, but don't let that put you off. I'm going to show you how to make a spring roll filling recipe first. Then I'm going to show you how to fill spring rolls. And start off by heating up some oil on medium heat. Chop 3 onions and pop them into the oil. And saute them until they become translucent and brown on the edges. You can put in your chicken mince now and some garlic ginger paste. I'm using curry madras and I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of this. And 1 teaspoon of chilli powder, just for that extra spice. And give it a really good mix. You can always use your own spices. I'm adding half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 1 Turkish chilli. It's not spicy at all and it adds a really lovely flavour. 3 medium potatoes, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Give it a good mix, and then you're going to put the lid on and reduce the heat and let this cook for 20 minutes on low heat until the potatoes soften. After 20 minutes, put it on full heat and you want the excess moisture to now evaporate. Pop in your coriander and some dried fenugreek leaves. Again, adds a really nice flavour. And full heat, when the mixture begins to stick to the bottom of the pan, it's then done. So remove it from the heat and keep the lid half on to let the steam escape, because you want like a nice dry mixture for your spring rolls. Make sure the filling is fully cooled down before you use it. Our top tip is make sure you keep these spring roll sheets wrapped in a damp tea towel. That way, once you've opened this packet, when you're filling the spring rolls, the rest of the sheets won't dry out. These are 30 large sheets and I'm going to cut them up into 4 squares because I want to make cute spring rolls, because I think they make a cute appetizer. And then you end up with a lovely little cute square. Put your sheet on a flat surface in the shape of a diamond and add in 1 teaspoon of mixture. You don't want to overfill it because it can split open when frying. Fold the bottom corner upwards. And you don't need any paste or water at this point. The next corner inwards. Try to not fold it over too tightly. Again, this will prevent it from bursting when frying. Fold in the other corner. Now all you need is some cold water. You don't need any samosa paste. Just use some cold water and just dab it over. And once it's all nice and wet, roll it over tightly as possible. There you have it. There's your spring roll. Spring rolls are great to eat on another day. All I did was I used some sandwich bags. I wrote on here what the filling is, what date I'm going to bag them, and I put around about 8 to 10 in each bag. And then tie it up, and you can just pop these into the freezer, and then whenever you feel like a spring roll, just defrost and fry and eat. See you in the next video.